This is a Suunto Vector wristwatch, not in a good shape. I've had it for a long time, and as you can see, the original straps are long gone. So I've been thinking about changing the straps to NATO versions. But the problem is that the straps don't fit directly, even it might seem they could. Like you see here, it's too tight to fit there. Unlike on these other watches I have, you can see here on the Observer and the Pebble watch, you can just use the original mounts and put the strap through. So I bought these adapters from AliExpress to fit here, and let's see if we can use the NATO straps with them. Here's what we get. Two small screwdrivers and the actual adapter parts. It's just couple metal parts and the screw posts to go through the original mounts. It's super simple to assemble. Just put the parts through and screw them together. So, as you can see here, these are not particularly a good fit. There's quite a bit of slack here, but I did order these parts for Suunto Core, and I just assumed they fit to Vector as well, but it's not such a big deal. I can put some spacers there to get rid of the slack. However, when put together, you can see that the watch doesn't rest flat down as it should. Like, it's raised above the strap because of the new mounts, and now it's just moving everywhere, even it should be secure. Like, it's really loose. So the reason seems to be that the part of the strap that secures your watch isn't long enough for the adapters to lay flat, so it will raise the clock up. Let's try it with the strap from the Pebble. It's a bit wider and from a different seller, so maybe there's some variation. To be honest, I think it's even worse. So, the conclusion is that these Chinese adapters won't work well with the NATO straps. I have 3 different straps and they all have the same length with the secure part. However, this might actually work with the Zulu straps, which are very similar to the NATO versions. I don't have any of those, so I can't really test it, but if you're planning to buy similar adapters for your watch, be prepared that they might not work.